R naught 1. They are initially connected parallel. And I'm going to replace it with an equivalent resistance. That is R naught. What is R naught 1? R naught 2 by R naught 1 plus R naught 2. The alpha be the quotient of thermal resistance. Alpha 1, alpha 2. So I want this particular alpha. As I raise the temperature now, as I raise the temperature, so what is the new reaction? So this will be at 3 degrees Celsius. This is 0 degrees Celsius. Similarly, what we did earlier, the similar method, what when you can follow it here. I'm giving enough picture information that the alpha in fact will be variable, but over a range of temperature, it is to be constant. So alpha is not variable. That's what we assume. If alpha variable, S, you can integrate and you can calculate all other things. So we'll assume that for most of the metals, alpha is a constant over a range of temperature. So what is range of temperature? Usually what range of temperature that will vary of order 30, 40 degrees Celsius, or even let it be 100 degrees Celsius, or that when the alpha is almost constant. It's into quotient of thermal expansion. What should be R should be equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, the same formula. So I'll proceed like this. These are very, it may look very, it may look very easy for you. You check the advanced paper, no? They're giving some importance to this also. Very small topic, just 3-4 formulas are there. But if you look at the advanced paper, they're given priority for this also. In the register chapter, student will get attracted more to the finding effective resistance problem. I'm making clear. Finding out effective resistance of the materials, so some 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 resistors they'll ask you to find out the effective resistance. Students will get attracted and books also dumped more. You check the advanced paper, hardly you have anything where more than 5 resistor problems are there. They're asking all this. So totally wrong preparation students does. That's why you see the schedule, no? Many resistors, they are postponed to next week. In the next week, again, we have voltmeter, ammeter, meter bridge, all other equipments. So I suggest you like solve some, selected some 10 or 15 numerical, because you'll start enjoying, because no concept, nothing, just logical thinking, you feel very convenient, but they are no use for you either of exam. Mains hardly they've asked, advanced never asked till now, and they don't ask also. So sir, what should do? Some standard numericals, few you do it, 10 or 15, enough, but don't spend whole week on that. Totally your preparation being gone. So gather all the information, small topics like this, work out numericals, so you'll be in better position. Okay, work out now. So what is 1 by R? I can write it as 1 by R is equal to R naught 1 plus alpha T. R naught 1, 1 plus alpha 1 T. One plus alpha 2 T. So there's a one equation. What is R naught? R naught equal to this value, no? So this will be R naught 1, R naught 2 by R naught 1, R naught 2. Let me go for binomial expansion, because what is the change in temperature will be of order few tens. So therefore, so I'll go for binomial expansion. I'll send it to the numerator. Then after expanding, neglecting higher order terms. What is the value of alpha in T? The product of alpha T will be very much less than 1. Alpha T what, and the product of this will be very much less than 1. So this should be equal to 1 minus alpha 1t r naught 1, 1 minus alpha 2 r naught 2. This is r naught now. So some correction I'll make it. This should be r naught 1 plus r naught 2. Okay, simplify, get expression for alpha in terms of alpha 1. So this should be, I think I'll end up like this after expanding r naught 1 by r naught 2 we'll expand it. 1 minus alpha t r naught 1 alpha t 1 by r naught 1 minus alpha 1 t, or I'll write one more step. Now we can simplify. R naught 1 can be eliminated, you can see from 1 by r naught 2, 1 by r naught 2, this will eliminate it. So this will be minus of alpha t. Even alpha t also get eliminated. So minus of alpha by r naught 2 minus of alpha by r naught 1 is equal to minus of alpha 1 by r naught 1 minus alpha 2 by r naught 2. Alpha, this should be equal to r naught 1 plus r naught 2, alpha 1 r naught 2 plus alpha 2 r naught 1, or effective alpha will be okay, fine. So like this, we can find out the effective alpha. And these are the formulas, do remember. Okay, fine. So there's a mathematics. I don't think so anybody will ask you derive. The end formula become important. When they're in series parallel, how to replace with effective alpha. There's a basic concept, what happened, we are applying it. Huh?